Hey, good morning, everybody. Today's Monday, April 6, 2020. It's a 4-day week because you have off on Friday and off on Monday. So hopefully it'll be a nice couple of days coming up here until your little break, and then a little bit of Easter and some fun time spent with your family. Today's morning message is to be a good citizen. It means doing what is good for yourself and your community and those around in your community. So maybe if you have an older neighbor or someone that you can check in on, whether it's a phone call, maybe just a little note um, in their doorway, maybe make a picture for them. As long as you guys know you're healthy, of course, or at least if you think so, that's nice that they have someone checking in on them, because a lot of times those folks do not have other people that are checking in and looking after them. All right. Going to read a few stories, little excerpts from Weird But True Too, and then we'll go on to the math lesson for the day. All right. Animals that lay eggs don't have belly buttons. The first email was sent in 1971. That's before I was born. A tiger's stripes are different on left and the right sides of their body. Russia is only 2 miles away from Alaska. A group of blue jays is called a party. There are more than 250,000 different words in the English language. Now I'll read one more, because I do like sharks. About sharks. Sharks have no bones, but they might munch and crunch on creatures that do. All right, today's math lesson is lesson 410, which starts on page 235. There's a chart or a table at the top that you are to look at and consult for information. Same with the page after, page 236, very similar line of thinking. It is all addition. As you probably can tell, we're deep into our addition, refresher review unit. And let me flip the light off. I see glare. All right, here we go. Sorry about that. All right, number one. I'm going to work with that one. Has some clue words in there that you gotta have to kind of take a peek at. Most popular. Now, I'm assuming most of you do know what that means. If you don't, that means the highest rated or highest numbers. And those two rides were Mega Wheel with 301 and Twister with 298. So 1 plus 8 equals 9, 0 plus 9 equals 9, no new groups at all, 3 plus 2 equals 5. Now, if they're going to say estimate that, or about how many of those, now this goes along with number 5, and on the next page, it says estimate. And for that, you use that R word. Rounding is correct. So just to show you again, 301. Is it closer to 300 or 400? Well, it is 1 past 300, although I'll draw out that little number line and I'll mark it is right there. Okay, so that would round to 300. And then 298 is super close to 300. Is it 200 or 300? It's only 2 away from 300. So if you had to estimate or say about how many people rode Mega Wheel and Twister, you round those to both 300 and you say about 600, which is great because look how close that is. Okay, so when you see the words about or estimate, don't forget to use that R word, that rounding. You can draw out your number line and see which one is it closer to. So for another example, if you saw the number 234, let's say, you say, oh man, is that closer to 200? Or the next 100 above, 300. Well, don't forget, everything has that halfway point. So if it's not 250, if it's before that, in this case, 234, let's say it's right about here, well then you're a lot closer to 200. So 234 would round down to 200. Okay, so keep that in mind. There are a few two-step problems on these pages that you'll have to look at and check out for yourself. All right. All right, so that is quick and easy. I hope for you today that page won't take you a long time. On the back of the homework pages, if you're doing those, hopefully you are, for 410. Again, try them. Those are good. Hopefully there's a little bit of multiplication, division in there for you because that's not going away. You really do have to master those multiplication facts for 4th grade. Make those teachers proud, make me proud. And you get a really good, nice running start when you get to 4th grade math. All right. Now, instead of showing another Transformer, because I know everybody loves those, I went to a something I have called a memory box. And I wonder if you guys have one of these. You'll have to let me know. Maybe even take a picture, send it through Remind if you'd like to. Basically, for me, it's a shoebox. I have a couple of these. I have about 3 or 4 from my childhood up through right now. Even I put a few items in there still, but it's like little things that I remember, or toys, or trinkets, things I got as a gift, maybe old birthday cards, things like that. And I found some really cool that my dad he kept in his workshop. One of the things he kept, it is a preschool diploma for me. Toy Box Preschool in Cleveland, Ohio on June of 1984. My teacher was Miss Christine. Well, thanks, Miss Christine, wherever you are. I remember preschool, and it was pretty cool. We built with blocks, we painted color, we played outside, played inside. Those were fun times for sure. All right, so I hope you have a great Monday. We'll see you tomorrow. And keep sending those pictures or little stories. I'll try to share them out with the rest of our classes. All right, take care, and we'll talk to you later.